Welcome to this video tutorial on online property registration. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of registering your property online. After logging in, you will be redirected to your dashboard, where you can view your applications whether incomplete, under process, or completed. To start a new property registration, simply go to the left-hand side menu and click on New Application. After clicking on New Application, you will be redirected to the Property Registration section. Here, you are required to enter the applicant details, seller details, buyer details, and upload the necessary documents. First, select the application processing location by choosing the district, subdivision, revenue circle, and block from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the documents attached. Ensure that all relevant documents are selected to avoid the application being returned. Notably, for the buyer, you can attach either the COI or the SSC. Then, provide the applicant's information such as name, gender, father's name, mobile number, email address, applicant type, property type, and transaction type, whether transfer, gift, donation, or industrial purpose. Finally, upload the applicant's photograph and signature. And click on Save and Continue. In the next tutorial, we'll learn how to enter the seller and buyer details. Thank you for watching.